The Illuminating Engineering Society is the ANSI Accredited Standards Development Organization for lighting. Our standards department objectives are to provide leadership in developing relevant documents in a timely manner to benefit our members and the public. These objectives are a direct reflection of the IES mission statement. The IES seeks to improve the lighted environment by bringing together those with lighting knowledge and by translating that knowledge into actions that benefit the public. The key to our standards development is in the collection of knowledge that exists for any given lighting-related topic. Through research, the experience of our committee members, and a balance of stakeholders that might be affected by the standards. This combination of knowledge is the basis of our consensus process, from which we produce our lighting library of recommended practices, design guidelines, technical memoranda, and testing procedures. There are 4 components to the development of IES standards. The first is the strategic planning of our organization, which sets long-term goals and targeted objectives to ensure we maintain our value to our membership and to achieve actions that benefit the public. With the strategy set to guide the direction of our standards, the content of our documents must be relevant and practical based on our consensus process, and to be timely, agile, and collaborative between our committees and other organizations to ensure that they serve the greater good for the benefit of the public. The process of developing our standards must meet our ANSI accreditation requirements with balanced representation, and we are constantly striving to improve our process with new tools and staffing structure to ensure accuracy and efficiency that, in turn, assures the public interest. Our products are our technical standards. We continue to find ways to better coordinate and align these standards and to update our standards to keep pace with technology and market changes through updates that will be set for regular intervals. Our future plans are to convert our standards to an online platform with a subscription-based service for our members. Of course, none of this could be done without the participation of our many dedicated IES members. Directing the strategic planning for the IES is our board of directors, who are elected by our members. The content of our standards is written by our 40 volunteer technical committees, listed in the technical committees section of our website. Each committee has its own charter and area of expertise and are comprised of dedicated professionals that bring their knowledge and experience to the consensus process. The process by which our committees and documents are approved is directed by our Standards Committee, consisting of 9 dedicated members that have a wide breadth of experience in standards development. This committee approves projects for consideration and the release of documents for public review and final publication. Our standards can be found in the IES Lighting Library. We currently have approximately 70 standards, and these are constantly being updated. Be sure to check out this list and the IES bookstore for the latest IES standards. Standards advisory panels are organized into 3 groups of lighting science, lighting practice, and lighting applications. These panels consist of leaders in the lighting industry that help guide us in developing our overall direction for new standards and collaboration, such that we can proactively take steps to evolve with the industry as new technologies and design methods emerge. These committees also help advise our technical committees as they work through their consensus process, and the chairs of each of the advisory panels are members of the Standards Committee. Supporting all of this work is the IES staff. The Standards and Research Department has 5 staff members that are dedicated to maintaining and improving the IES standards process for the benefit of our members and the public. To find out more information about the IES committees or the Lighting Library, please browse the link shown below. Thank you for visiting the IES Standards webpage. We welcome your participation in the Illuminating Engineering Society and our standards development process.